Things like your total clicks, your total impressions, highest ranking keywords, so that you can know when to optimize your site for certain keywords. Then you also want to add Google Analytics. What Google Analytics will do is give you active sessions, average time on page, which that does a really good job at telling you how long your video should be that you put on your homepage. So as you see here, we're in Google Analytics. We go to report snapshots, we go to home, look at the entire snapshot, and you see the average time on page is 1 minute and 3 seconds for the last 3 months. Well, that's not, or sorry, for the last month. That's not too good because there isn't much that you can do. Granted, we have optimized Sarah's website for a click to call, but then when you look at the last 7 days, it's only 14 seconds. So that average time on page definitely can increase. The question is, how do we increase it? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the website and we're going to make some changes into the website. So what I did was I created about a 55-second intro video for Sarah explaining who she is and how she helps people. I put that on the homepage and I put it above the fold. Because remember, you need to put your video and your CTA above the fold. Then what we did was we optimized. If your website is not optimized for mobile, then you're not going to do a great job. What we did was we put the video above her bio picture in mobile because she wanted it changed anyway. If you want to obtain more patients and more clients, consider joining DCMed at themerlingroupworld.com for only $2,000 a year.